Today is Friday, October 12th, 2018, and this is the ServiceMonster Show.
Release 6.3.0 is out.
Small business collaboration.
Using Facebook as a hiring tool.
And our favorite ServiceMonster feature. This week in social media. All right, today I wanted to talk about one of my favorite little apps for business owners, which is called TownSquared. And you can learn more about it at townsquared.com. Basically, it's an app specifically to connect business owners and their managers so they can learn from each other, talk about issues in their local neighborhoods. Currently, it's still a startup and it's only available in certain neighborhoods and cities. So you'll have to look and see if it's available in yours. But they also put on events, talk about, like I said, local issues that all business owners are dealing with in the same areas, and then get advice from each other. It's a really good resource. Check it out.
This week, Inside Smug. So Alan Falls asked in Smug about a new section of the accounts that would list the number of invoices a person has referred. And while we have a report that's built around this, having that functionality in the account section is a great feature, and we added that feature request. Thanks, Alan. Keep those requests coming.
Thank you, Ethan, for your question in Smug. The answer is no, not yet. We're currently testing it internally, but we will keep you updated.
Brent sent in another great feature request in that he asked if there was a way in the accounts list when applying those filters to clear them all at once. Currently, there is not, which Brenda made sure that he was aware of. But we added that as a feature request, so thank you, Brent.
Feature of the week. This week, for Feature of the Week, I'd like to talk about one of my favorite features in ServiceMonster, which is the Profile tab found in the Account screen. The Profile tab gives you the ability to keep track of any type of data you want. Pet names, what neighborhoods your customers live in. And doing that, you could foreseeably email your customers neighborhood at a time with our marketing campaigns. So check it out. Call support if you have any questions. Inside ServiceMonster. Exciting news. I'm sure you've all seen that we have the new fall front for your Fill My Schedule cards. We've been posting it everywhere. However, we're also making other seasonal card fronts. We've got winter coming up, then spring and summer. So be on the lookout because there is exciting things coming your way.
For anyone who will be at the UAMCC event in Houston later this month, that's October 22nd through 24th, go ahead and come see Joe offer his keynote at the end of the first day. He'll be talking about leadership, growth, and getting yourself off the truck. Javi will be there, and if anyone is in the area and wants to talk to him, he'd love to see you.
Steph made a new video. Very exciting. It's about email marketing campaigns, not to be confused with the drip campaigns. It is straight up email marketing campaigns, which are usually something that you would send just once instead of, repeatedly like with a drip campaign. You can find this in Marketing 101 on our help site.
We are also still hiring one more position for our super agents team. So if anyone in the area has any experience with the call center, go ahead and look us up.
Send them to us.
ServiceMonster product updates. Release 6.3.0 came out at the very end of last week. Just to include a couple of the features. First, you can self-import. This is mostly important for new clients who are bringing on board, but if you have a prospect list or something like that, you need to import into your account. You can find that down in the settings.
2, we now have an audit trail for text confirmations.
3, we've improved our opportunities report. Before it just had the listings of the individual pieces on your Kanban. Now you can actually click into that and it'll take you to the actual opportunity landing page.
4, just kidding, we've had a lot of bug fixes, so check it out on our blog updates.
For everyone here at ServiceMonster, thank you so much for your attention.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Go check out our demo.
And give us a call.
Door number 1.
I know. Is it a? It's a letter O.
Feature of
the week. It's really hard. It's hard to time your voices.